Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy tomato soup updated. Roast tomatoes and garlic until charred, sauté onions and carrots, add stock and herbs, simmer, blend until silky, strain if desired, return to pan, stir in cream or coconut milk, season to taste, adjust acidity with a pinch of sugar, and finish with fresh basil for brightness. Enjoy. Staggered roasting concentrates flavor, and careful sweating preserves sweetness. Combine techniques for depth. Use high-quality stock, fresh basil, and balance with acidity. Save roasted skins for compost and cool soup briefly before chilling to retain texture and color. Use a blender in batches to avoid splashing and strain for an ultra-smooth finish. Reheat gently and taste for seasoning before serving with a swirl of cream. Swap cream for coconut milk or cashew cream for dairy-free versions without losing richness. Add roasted red peppers or chipotle for smoky depth, and finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Cool soup quickly, store in airtight containers up to 4 days, or freeze in portions for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight and reheat gently to preserve texture and flavor. Label containers with date and portion size to simplify reheating and meal planning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.